I'm looking at your plan file in X9, and I'm just going to click on this roof plane here out of curiosity, and see its baseline is at 101 and 15/16. I have an idea that probably this one over here is at a different baseline. Ooh, it is. And that's why your returns don't line up, because these roof planes are not symmetrical. I'll show you again. This one's 101 and 15/16, 412. This one's 104 and 9/16. You make a match. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to take this one, and I'll copy that value to the Windows clipboard, cancel out, and apply it to this one. We'll lock the pitch so that the pitch doesn't change, and give it a new baseline height. And like magic, they match. Now, I wouldn't do the returns the way that you've done them. Let's go to plan view. I was messing around with the foundation earlier. I'm going to turn the reference display off. So you're getting a return matching this one, another return. I thought maybe you'd done them manually, but it doesn't look, I can't select them. That's because they're automatic returns. That's fine. Okay, that's because this, whatever this space here is here. Let me go back. Can't really tell. Okay, that's the entryway. So what is this blue thing sitting there? Why is that there? A beam or something? Wall specification. I don't understand why there's a visible wall there. Is there a doorway in it? Let me just make this invisible. That's showing up in the plan view. To me, is a negative. It's just there to demark this space, which is an entry or something. Go back to the overview. See, these returns are split up by a wall that's here. There must be a invisible wall or something there. Let me make sure wall's invisible is on. Wall, yeah, walls invisible are on. I'm trying to figure out why there's a separation of space here. I understand this one. I'm going to shift select. Oh, this is the reason. There's an offset between here and here. Let's line that up. I mean, it's invisible in the plan view. But this line ought to, let's see, I need to make sure. You got the layers turned off. Why do you do that? Must have walls. Main layer only. I never use this layer. I don't know why you're using it. With it turned on, you can't see anything. Well, that didn't help. No, I don't want that. Okay, I thought I turned it off. I didn't turn it off. Okay, now I can see the stinking layers, and I can line this up with a brick. It's just there to divide the space. Okay, these walls do line up. So, okay. So I'm going to select this one, and that one, and make sure that they're set all the same. on the roof tab. Excuse me, full gable end, yeah. Auto, full. Apparently one of them wasn't programmed right. That's the reason it said no change. Let me go back to the overview and see what happened. Okay, we lost it. All right. Sometimes the automatic returns don't stink and work, and they're supposed to. So what I would do is I'd take these 3 walls and unprogram that crap. If it's not working, it's not working. Go over here to the roof tab. We'll just uncheck full return. No problem. Now, I'm going to, let's see what, oh, this is 412, I remember. Go over to this, make sure it's set to 4. It is. I'm going to draw a roof plane there manually. I don't know why you got some of these layers. Oh, what the hell? Get out of that. Sorry. Got it over there like that. I'm going to zoom in and make sure this is outside the exterior layer right there. Okay. Now, the next thing, when you do a manual return, oops, oh, excuse me, that's messed up. Pardon my français. That's better. Now, this fascia top needs to match the manual return. The fascia top's 94 7/16. Copy that. Okay, I'm going to lock the pitch, put in the fascia top value. Now they match. Okay. Now to do a return like that, see it's sticking out past the other roof plane. We'll put a 45-degree angle there. We'll take this and let's see, we'll break the edge there, and just so I have 2 line entities that I can connect with the join roofs tool. Okay. Voila. Well, you don't have your material set, default set correctly. I guess it's not unusual. I'm going to fix the, I mean, it looks stupid with gray on the ridge and not, anyway, you get the idea. And we'll do the same thing to the other end. You just angle this one in. Click on this one, put a break in it towards the towards the end. Doesn't matter where the break is, as long as it's in the vicinity of where the, well, it's not breaking in this camera view. I thought maybe I'd stay in the camera view. Okay, I got it that time. And we'll take that and join it to that. And that's it. See, with automatic tools, you just you fail, you just step in and fix it. Now, there's no reason for it not to work, but it was not working. So, you know, I'm not going to call tech support. I'm just going to fix it. Got the idea. Thanks for watching.